The idea here is to introduce new product architectures that are market leading in each and every attribute that's important to the marketplace. We made a decision to focus on developing systems engineering as a key core competency at Fulton. Systems engineering is the process of breaking down trade-offs and barriers and optimizing the product design at the system level to maximize value for the customers. If it's important to the customer, we can model and simulate it in the computer at Fulton. Bringing those capabilities together has enabled us, starting in 2014 to now, to introduce two breakthrough product architecture.
Today, we offer several product lines of firetube condensing boilers, all offering premium efficiency and the best technologies that are out there in the market. Along with the technology, we also are very proud to have very rugged, robust, and reliable products that meet the demands of a variety of customers.
Our current products today are the Endura Plus, and the Vantage boilers. Endura Plus was developed using a systems engineering approach that we call pure technology. It's designed to simultaneously optimize footprint, turndown, low emissions, and high efficiency.
We couldn't be more excited about the EDR Plus line of hydronic boilers at Fulton. Service footprints of the EDR Plus 3 million and 6 million boilers are the smallest in the world at those size ranges. In efficiency, we enjoy better than a 2-point advantage against our leading competitors.
What differentiates Fulton is our commitment to quality, durability, and reliability. While many of our competitors are outsourcing heat exchangers to third-party vendors, Fulton not only R&Ds our own heat exchangers, but we manufacture them in-house.
We have in our R&D lab lead the fleet units running, and they run 24/7, so that if an issue ever does crop up, we'll be able to get out in front of it and address it before it ever impacts our customers. You have to have quality processes that ensure that the product is built as intended, to spec and to print, day in, day out, consistently with no flaws or defects.
World-class manufacturing directly affects quality. By building quality into the process, you eliminate downstream defects, not only improving your efficiency, but making your customers happier.
I can tell you as we sit here today that the quality processes in place at Fulton around these new products is world-class and second to none.